What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to deposit money on Phantom Wallet. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. We're going to open our Phantom Wallet app, and then right here on the homepage you're just going to gaze at the top area of your screen, and here you're going to see some buttons such as receive, send, swap and buy. We're going to choose receive, and currently you have about 5 options to receive money on Phantom Wallet. You could either send funds to Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, Bitcoin Taproot, or Bitcoin Native. So let's say we want to receive money using Ethereum. Now on the row of Ethereum, you have 2 buttons at the right area. You have the option to tap on the copy button, which is at the extreme right, and just beside it, you have the option for a QR code. So depending on what you want, you can simply tap on any of these buttons on the Ethereum row. Alternatively, if you'd like to narrow things down just to have Ethereum on the page as the main currency, you can tap on Ethereum, and here it's going to give you the 2 options again. You have the QR code revealed, and you also have the public address for Ethereum here on the Phantom Wallet. So if you'd like to deposit from another crypto wallet into your Phantom Wallet, all you need to do is to get the device and scan the QR code and then fill in the details, such as the amount you'd like to deposit into your Phantom Wallet. Alternatively, just above the share button, you have the option for a copy. So you can tap on the copy button there and you can see your alphanumeric Ethereum address on Phantom Wallet has been copied. You can send it to anyone who can use it to deposit money. And then lastly, you have the option to tap on share, and then you will have the option to paste it directly into a social media platform in order to contact a person who will be depositing the money in your Phantom Wallet. When any of these wallets are used, you will be receiving your Ethereum in your Phantom Wallet. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.